After more than 20 years as a gynecologist and helping hundreds of women through this perimenopause and menopause, I have noticed something surprising. The women who thrive this menopause are not necessarily the youngest one, they are not necessarily the fittest, and they are not necessarily the ones spending the most. So they simply understand a few important lessons. And today I'm sharing those five most life changing lessons I have learned after helping hundreds of women navigating this perimenopause and menopause. So these lessons can save years of confusion, frustration, and unnecessary suffering. Let's begin. You know, Hi, I'm Dr. Renu, practicing gynecologist and laparoscopic surgeon and a pain-free menopause coach and consultant. Menopause is not just a hormonal transition. It's a life transition, and the lessons I have learned from my patients have completely changed how I view the aging, the happiness, the confidence, and the vitality. And I hope these lessons help you too. Lesson number one: awareness changes everything. The women who do best during this perimenopause and menopause are the women who understand what's happening inside their body. Unfortunately, many women spend many years thinking that I'm just aging, I'm getting stressed, I'm getting old, and something is wrong with my body. But once they learn about perimenopause and menopause, everything changes in their mind and body. Fear decreases, the confidence increase, and they'll have a better decision making. And knowledge is truly power. And the first step towards a better menopause journey is education, awareness. And the more you understand your body, the less you fear about it. And lesson number two: motion is lotion. Why I tell this repeatedly? Because this is the one of the my favorite lesson that I have learned and practicing. And I know many women transform their health simply by moving their body consistently, walking, stretching, doing yoga, increasing their flexibility, doing Sudarshan Kriya. And movement helps to improve our energy and the sleep, the mood we get, the happiness, and also the joint health, and most important, weight management. And many women wait until they feel motivated, but motivation often comes after the movement, after the exercise. And your body was designed to move, and movement is one of the most powerful medicine available. And lesson number three: muscle. Muscle is your midlife superpower. Many women focus only on losing weight, and but the healthiest women focus on building the strength muscles. After 40 we naturally lose muscle mass, and this affects our metabolism, our bone health, energy, the strength what we get. And the women who include these strength training exercises in their routine often experience better results than those who focus only on dieting. And you also to remember, and you should have a goal. It's not about only losing weight, it's becoming a stronger one. So lesson number 4 is: stress is more powerful than most people realize about it. And stress affects nearly every menopause symptom. And I have seen women who improve their hot flashes, sleep, mood, energy, simply by reducing the stress management. And when stress increases, it worsens our sleep, it increases the cravings, the weight gain, energy comes down, and mood becomes very unstable. So the most successful women who create their daily stress management habits, like deep breathing exercises, box breathing we call, prayer, meditation, Sudarshan Kriya, journaling, walking, exposing to sun, and calming their mind, which will support their whole health. So, lesson number 5, you don't have to do it alone. It's more important. And one of the saddest thing I see is women struggling silently, and they believe they must handle this everything by their own. But healing happens faster when women have support, guidance, and when she is at in the community. When she gets support from their family, friends, and a doctor like me and coach, and a supportive community. When you have that sisterhood mind, and connection matters a lot here. The women who succeed often ask questions and seek guidance and stay connected to each other. So remember, strength doesn't come from doing everything alone. It's the support, the strength that comes and knowing, getting aware about the body and mind. And I should make you understand that. And let's review these 5 life changing lessons. Lesson number 1, awareness changes everything. And second one, motion is lotion. The muscle is our midlife superpower. The fourth one is stress management. Fifth, you don't have to do it alone. It's a community support by your family, friends, doctor, coach, and a good friend. So let me be walking this path, this menopause journey along with you. It's the beginning of a stronger, healthier, and wise chapter in your life. So let me understand and let me make you understand. I would love to hear from you that which of these 5 lessons resonate with you the most. So comment below and let me know and let me read. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And remember, we will meet again in the next video. Awareness changes everything. Move your body. Motion is lotion, helpful for your joint. Age is just a number. Hi, bye. This is Dr. Renu.